Hi everyone, good afternoon, happy Tuesday. And now we are here in the kitchen, and because my husband will make an apple, what honey? Apple cake.
Apple cake. Now
Okay.
what we have here, the main ingredient is classic yellow cake. We need flour. We ran out of flour, so we're going to use coconut flour with some pastry flour. It'll be a little rich. A little cinnamon, apples, actually apple pie in a can, crushed 4 beat eggs, some sliced apple to fold in at the end, and our flour and cake mix, which I've kind of already mixed together. First thing we do, we mix the wet stuff together. That would be the eggs and the apple pie filling. Good.
Are you eating while mixing? Oh God.
And we kind of mix that wet stuff up. We got to mix it in with all this flour and cake mix. So we need a bigger bowl. We'll put that in the big bowl. Now we can take our wet stuff, the eggs and the apple, mix it together. Oh yeah. Get that all mixed up real good here.
Mix it up until it's even. Now what did you put in that thing? Apple, egg?
Apple pie filling, and 4 eggs. And then when this gets mixed up, we'll fold in some sliced apple. Seems a little dry to me. But it seems to be mixing up.
Keep mixing.
Tired.
Are you tired?
Yes. I might have to have you finish this, Grandma.
Well, you started it, honey. Then you need to be finished.
No, this is what the assistant does.
So I am the assistant cook?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, never mind it. It's all done.
Oh yeah, it's now. Oh, and then after that?
After that, we're going to put it in the oven. We have to bake it for 35 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Don't use Celsius, it causes a problem.
Okay.
At 335 degrees.
Okay. And then?
And then, shh, just run the camera. All right, so it's not easy to mix all this stuff up, but we'll get her done. Now we fold in the sliced apples.
All right.
I always am amazed at folding anything into a liquid, but we'll attempt to do such.
Are you gonna lick it?
All right.
All right. So that's it. So what kind of baking?
All right, so we keep mixing in these apples. It's not for the faint of heart. It's a lot of work. Starts getting pretty gooey and sticky. But you'll probably notice we put no sugar in it.
Oh, good. So, diabetic will be away. No sugar is so good because you have already a sugar from the fruit.
That's true, Gemma.
Yeah.
You got that right, honey bunny. Now, we're gonna make some little cupcakes.
You
We're
wash
gonna
it?
make some little cakes.
Stop
The
leaking.
important thing is to grease it up. Now we're going to use the classic Crisco
Let me see. Glass.
for greasing it up.
Okay.
Actually, I've already greased it. I'm just adding a little more.
Okay.
This will make it come out and it won't stick to the pan.
All right.
Oh yeah, got a lot of grease in there. All right, so now just fill one of these pans up. We'll make some nice little cakes.
But look, it's coming down, honey. Look at the other side.
That's why God gave us opposing thumbs, honey.
Oh my God. Stop.
Didn't say nothing.
Nabuang but the camera is... Oh, guys. You know, you don't even know. My husband is a good cake maker. Now that he's home, he likes to bake a sweet stuff. But now, no sugar, just a fruit.
Yeah, this is all natural fruit and high fructose corn syrup.
Supposed to be no high fructose.
I probably put that in the pie filling, honey. That stuff is sweet as the dickens.
Okay.
That's the way we like it. Sweets for my sweet.
Sugar for my honey.
Well, we'll kind of flatten this stuff out. I think I might have a few too many.
I too. What about the thing? The little cake? Or the little cupcake maker?
No, one thing at a time, Miss Gemma.
Don't. You are.
Cookie dough.
Stop eating. Boy, you know what are you doing, honey?
No, we just kind of mush it around here. I think this apple's a little too big to go in these cupcake holes. Try to cut them out of here.
Don't put up. So how are you doing?
Well, we're moving right along here, Jimmy. Getting hungry?
No,
There's some cupcakes.
no.
Look like it.
I'm not a sweets type of girl.
Oh,
I don't like a sweets.
well, you married me, honey. How sweet? How much sweeter can life get?
Well, I mean, sweets that we eat. So how do you call that? Cupcake pa? Oh, no. It's apple cupcake or what?
Yeah, these are apple cupcake.
Oh, look, it's fit now in the hole. Honey, it's drip.
Just kidding. Okay, that's pretty good. It's kind of round the edges off so it don't drip all in the oven.
we go. The oven is set for 325 degrees. Now,
Put the little
you need to
cakes
put
in.
the cakes in.
Cupcakes
And the
in.
cupcakes. And the
And the
little
other little cake.
and the little cakes. Ay.
Whoops.
Fixie, honey.
Alright, we set the timer
So where's the timer? The oven?
for
Like-
35 minutes. Voila!
Right.
We will be back shortly. 5 minutes, it should be done. Oh my, yes. Looks done. Smell that aroma.
Alright.
Apple cake. Let's do a little test. We will need a fork. Not done. Needs to cook more. I wonder what happened.
Right. Go back to the oven.
Oven. Cupcakes are probably done. Try one in the middle. Oh yeah, they're done. Just need to cool out. And there you have it.
Oh, the apple cake is done. What happened to the apple cupcake? Missing too. I think he ate it. They're all done.